We have an Excel file containing search queries. We aim to deconstruct these queries into individual words and subsequently sum up the associated metrics such as impressions, clicks, etc. This will allow us to identify our most important keywords. First, we need to take a screenshot of the Excel file. Next, switch to gogo-gpt and enter a prompt to have GPT generate the necessary Python code for you. The prompt we are using is, I need to do a query analysis based on the following Excel files. Please write Python code for me, and split the query to single word. For each word, sum the impressions, clicks, cost, conversions, conversion values, and save the result to a new Excel file. At the end of the prompt, paste the screenshot you just took. It is much easier to convey the data structure to GPT with a picture instead of text. Now, GPT is generating the code for us. We will test it once the process is complete. Now, let's run the code to verify its functionality. Copy the generated code and save it to a local file. Now, switch to a console and try running the code. Ensure that Pandas is installed. Oops, an error has occurred. It says it can't find the query key. After careful inspection, we found that it has selected the wrong sheet. It's sheet 3, not sheet 1. Yes, GPT can often make mistakes, just like humans. Now, let's change the sheet to sheet 3 and try again. Now it works.